Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the abortion rights in India. Abortion was not permitted in India until 1971. In fact, it was illegal under section 312 of the IPC. However, of Indian Constitution gave women the right of abortion in 1971. The MTP Act 1971 talks about the Shah Committee, which was established by the Indian government in 1964. Researched the socio-culture, medical and legal aspect of abortion. The group advocated for legalization abortion and cited several field research. The constitution was amended to incorporate the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. It implied that women up to 20 weeks of pregnancy had the right to an abortion under the following circumstances. If the pregnancy offers a serious risk to the woman's life and is likely to harm her physically and mentally, if the unborn child would be physically and intellectually disadvantaged or pose a threat to their lives. Third talks about if a rape led to the pregnancy, if a failed method of birth control leads to pregnancy. A few cases of abortion performed after 20 weeks have also requested Supreme Court approval, and the highest court has their authority under Article 141. The MTP Amendment Act 2021 talks about in March 2020 the MTP Amendment Bill was approved by both House of Parliament, and one of the final laws approved before the lockdown was enacted was this one. This act is an improved and liberalized version of their prior act, which is embodied in its core. It raised the pregnant woman to have an abortion for 20 weeks to 24 weeks. This law also permitted unmarried women to end a pregnancy if contraception had failed. Women now have the privilege of having their privacy. Only the designated individual may get information and abortion from the medical institution. This new law extends more protection to rape survivors, incest victims, people with disabilities and juvenile etc. Thank you all. If any of the doubt regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.